On 27th of October, mob disrupt and manhunted on-duty officers of Taxation Department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council while performing their routine check of trading license from all the vendors at Sukhanjan market. As per the report, it was informed that the main culprit and mastermind behind this pre-planned attack was found out to be Bijoy Singh. Therefore, on 28th of October, Taxation Department, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Bokajan SDPO, Bokajan OC, leaders from various students and social organizations along with the local public assembled together at Sukhanjan market and sealed all the stores owned by Bijoy Singh. After the news of manhandling the officials and staff of Taxation Department by the mob at Sukhanjan market while performing their duty came into light, the news spread like a wildfire across the district. Therefore, an emergency meeting was called between the Taxation Department and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to inquire about the factual report of the incidents and then take action accordingly. Hence, as per the rules of the Assam Finance Act 1954 or Assam Act 1954, government officials led by Sona Singh Terang, Deputy Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, sealed 4 stores and 1 godown of Bijoy Singh for opening without proper document and violating the Assam Finance Act 1954. Sona Singh Terang, Deputy Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that all the stores owned by Bijoy Singh was sealed and he had underrated Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and violated the Assam Finance Act 1954 by trying to evade taxes from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. And the main culprit behind the attack by the mob towards the on-duty taxation officers at Sukhanjan was masterminded by Bijoy Singh.
Lasi kicok si abang thu adukan akhai Bijoy Singh alang li dukan tetum sil etlo lasi lebang kelang tum alang li ta kicok si the kicok si tetum sil nang kobola alang li claim te ganang je polo lasi tetum sil nang kobola alang li tum hanang lang plot si claim do lasi lebang chok si asalang li lo min kalpit do alang li claim kita itu marjulong bom lo to mojur bom long bom lo lasi li tum pini itu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council authority order tingten itu tidak Sukhanjan hawar itu bangsi itu alang ya dukan an itu sil tikang itu.
The Taxation Department would resume its duty as usual. The scrutiny of trading license from all the traders would be done again. Police investigation is also underway and all the people who were involved in these incidents would be spared. Their stores would be sealed and trading license would be cancelled permanently. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.